Welcome, guys, to another episode of the Aux Diary. And briefly, we're not going to be doing much on this video. We are just going to be finishing up the stem we started in one of the episodes in the Aux Diary. And I'm sure you guys remember this stem. So I'm sure you guys remember all of this. Sorry. So we're just going to be dwelling on this intro. We're adding cues and just a little stuff, some little stuff. So basically, so to me, if I want to, if my choir is to do this song and they are going to, and I'm creating the whole stuff, I'm creating the whole stem. So the entry will not be immediately. Note that, because it won't be fun if it's immediately. You another good big drum set. So that's where the drummer should enter. So it's like you another girl. So yeah. So there's one thing you should know while creating a stem, while creating a track or while creating a music. I'm not sure you should come in with so much busyness at the beginning or in the beginning, because let people resonate with the song, let people enjoy the song before you come in with the whole syncopation and everything. For the verse of the song, like if I'm going to share my ideas, I have a lot of ideas on the song. I have a lot of ideas. I'm not going to lie, a lot of ideas, and I'm going to be doing that because I want to create a WhatsApp community and a Telegram community. And if you're interested, type "I'm interested" in the Telegram or WhatsApp community. Just type "I'm interested." The majority wins. Maybe we'll start with the WhatsApp if we have more of WhatsApp people in the comment section. So just type "I'm interested." I'm going to be sharing a lot of ideas, I'm going to be sharing a lot of stuff I know on this song. So as we move further, I'm going to open up to things I do on my songs, how I approach the aux as well. So like I mentioned in the first video, I said I'm going to teach you guys how to add cues. So there's this cue I got. It's a folder. I got it from Mayor Music. Shout out to Mayor Music, amazing producer. So I got it from Mayor Music and mapped it on my keys. So I have
intro 1 2 3 4 5 6 7.
So let's dive right in quickly. I don't want to waste so much time on this video. So let's have the intro. Let's go.
Intro.
Is that good? Yeah, that's good. So we have our intro. I don't like using 1 2 3. I prefer to use
intro.
Sorry,
2 3 4
or
3 4
in sound. So I have wherever. So
intro 3. Outro.
Sorry. So
verse.
Looking for break.
Break.
Yeah.
Break.
So
break 2 3.
So that break is going to come in for bam bam or bounce. I don't have bounce, but I could record bounce, or I will say it bounce. Don't mind me, okay? So but let's just use break instead. I'm just showing you guys how to use the whole. So or we can use break 2 3 bam bam. But I like this one. Break 2 bam bam. As long as your drummer has caught this thing, the whole numbering can't mess with him. He can't confuse him as long as he has scored. So we have now we have the syncopation. Left to me, I'm going to approach the syncopation as verse. Yes, because we are going into the verse. So it's going to. I'm going to introduce it as a verse. So I could do So sorry.
Verse.
Okay, yeah. So I could just do So
Verse.
so yeah, verse. Yeah. So
Verse. 2.
yeah. So we have our cue for the intro already. So
Intro. 2. 3.
whew.
Break. 2.
So
Verse. 2. 3.
you another gun. Another gun. So we have our cues on our intro already, and we can vibe with this intro, right? So anything you want to add now, you have to consider. So my aux pianist, you have to consider your aux pianist. You have to say, oh, my aux pianist just have one keyboard. Let me help him with a few sounds that's going to make him do less on stage. But if he has a lot of boards, don't pity him. Take out the saw. Maybe put bells. He should play saw and use synth on the other hand. Don't be lazy, my brother. So well, we have our intro with our cues. There's something you guys should know. You guys should not depend. There are a lot of people that depends on cues, and it's very, very wrong. You depend on cues too much that you don't score. You are waiting for cues to remind you. Now you have to approach music like me. I and my colleague in church, that's Ubong, we mostly make it like we are writing a script. That was what Mayor Music taught us. You are creating a stem. We don't have to remind you that a syncopation is coming in. You should know. That's why when scoring a song, you need to score the lyrics as well, because the lyrics help. I mean, you know that, okay, in that is the name, they are going to do a syncopation. It's easier for you than you're waiting for your MD to talk back. After I'll go do this one. It's stressful. Your MD is playing the keyboard too. Except you guys have a talkback engineer, but that's still not an excuse. It is not an excuse. I'm talking to you. It's not an excuse. Well, like I said, we'll be voting in the comment section, Telegram community or WhatsApp community. I'm going to share this queue as well, but not free. But guys, thank you for staying to the end of this video. I will see you in my next video. Cheers.